Please mention your roll numbers in the chat box. Let us start.
Yes, sir.
कुठून घालतो आपण? Logical operators?
Yes, sir.
Here, more than one logical conditions, if you wanted to combine, then logical operators are helping us. So logical operators connects more than one logical conditions together, and its result we can evaluate with the help of truth table. So let us try to understand what is meant by truth table. For example, for only two conditions we'll be considering possibilities, and accordingly we'll be writing truth table. For example, if C1 is the first logical condition, C2 is the second logical condition, okay? So C1 and C2, both logical conditions, if I will be combining with logical and C1 logical and C2. So in this way, we'll be drawing our truth table, and this is the truth table for logical and. So are you understanding how I am drawing the truth table for logical and? Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So C1 is the first logical condition, C2 is the second logical condition. Both logical conditions we are combining with logical and. So C1 logical and C2. Now if two logical conditions will be considering, so there will be four possibilities. You can imagine first possibility, second possibility, third possibility, and fourth possibility. So first possibility will be what? Both logical condition remains true. So C1 logical condition remains true, C2 is also true. Now if both logical condition remains true, and if we are combining with logical and, we'll be getting result as true. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first possibility. Similarly, you can consider remaining possibilities. C1 logical condition remains true, C2 remains false, Now in that case, if C1 is true, C2 is false, and both logical conditions, if you will be combining with logical and, in that case we'll be getting result as false. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now third possibility, C1 logical condition remains false, C2 logical condition remains true, then we are getting result as false. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Third possibility. And last, fourth possibility will be what? Both logical condition remains false. Saqib,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपको बात नहीं करने का है तब म्यूट रखा करो, वो डिस्टरबेंस होता है. हेलो.
Okay, sir.
So fourth possibility we are considering, if both logical conditions remain false and if we are combining both such logical conditions C1 and C2 and we are combining with logical and, in that case result will be getting again false. Am I right? दोनों false हुआ तो false रहता है, दोनों true रहे तो ही true रहेगा. True false false, false true false, false false false. So this is the logical, this is the truth table and this is the truth table for logical and. समझ में आया क्या? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us go to truth table for logical or.
हाँ sir.
Yes.
See here, a truth table you will have to by heart, and or you will have to understand, and you should put it in your brain so that whenever logical conditions will be dealing and more than one logical conditions if we will be dealing at that time, you will have to evaluate the result according to this truth table for logical and. Similarly for logical or, and we can write our truth table. There will be different possibilities. Possibilities will remain same, and for two logical conditions possibilities will remain same, and four possibilities, only result will be getting different results. Now instead of logical and, we will be using logical or. So two vertical lines are nothing but logical or. So C1 is first logical condition, C2 is second logical condition. Again for same four possibilities we are considering: true, 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 false, false, true, true, false, false. For first possibility, where both logical conditions are true, and if we are combining with logical or, then we are getting result as true. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second possibility, where first logical condition remains true, second logical condition remains false. Now if such two logical conditions we are combining with logical or, we are getting result as true. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Third possibility, where first logical condition remains false, second one remains true, and such two logical conditions if you will be combining with logical or, you will be getting again result as true. When both logical conditions are false, then only you will be getting result as false. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the truth table for logical or. I hope you have understood. This is the truth table for logical or. Let us go to next.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. So I'm clearing the screen. This is the last operator, logical not. And for logical not, if you will have only one condition, and for that one condition there will be only two possibilities you can think. So C is C is only one condition, and for this one condition we will have only two possibilities, possibility number one and possibility number two. Either this logical condition will be true or false. Am I right? For one logical condition only there will be two possibilities. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if this logical condition, on this logical condition, if we'll apply a logical not operator, so when logical condition is true, and if we'll apply logical not operator for this true logical condition, so it will become false. And if logical condition is false and that false logical condition For that false logical condition, if we will apply logical not, we'll get result as true. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
this is the truth table for logical not. I hope you have understood how we can use logical operators in the programs. Let us write program.
Yes, sir.
To understand logical operators barabar spelling operators, yes. So same example, same variables will be using int a, b, c, integer type of variable. Value of a is equal to say 1, value of b is equal to say 3, and here I will write and c is equal to, let us use and more than one logical conditions. A is greater than or a is greater than b, okay, and a is less than b. And let us display value of c on the output screen. बताओ c का वैल्यू क्या आएगा, है ना? c is equal to %d, c. हेलो हेलो,
0.
why 0? रिझन यायला सांगायला पाहिजे ना.
and ऑपरेटर आहे, दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू ट्रू व्हायला पाहिजे.
असू द्या की त्यातली पहिली कंडिशन ट्रू होते का सांगा, दुसरी कंडिशन ट्रू होते का सांगा, आणि मग लॉजिकल अँड जोडल्यामुळे हे ट्रूथ टेबल नुसार हे ट्रू येतं का फॉल्स असं सांगा की. सिम्प्लिफाय इट. हेलो,
पहिली फॉल्स येते कंडिशन, दुसरी ट्रू
first
आहे.
logical conditions here as per his views, others they can think. First logical condition a is greater than b, this logical condition is false. बरोबर काय?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
second logical condition, what about second logical condition, a is less than b? True or false?
True.
True. So first logical condition is false, second one is true, and we combine both logical conditions with the help of logical and. So according to truth table, entire logical condition, combination of both logical condition remains false, result is false, therefore value of c we are getting 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore value of c we are getting 0. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now instead of logical and, let us use logical or. Now you tell me what happens with this value of cn. Hello.
1.
1.
Why 1? Why 1?
First condition is false. Second condition is true.
Okay, and both such logical conditions we combine with logical or, according to truth table, entire condition will become true. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore value of c we will get in this case 1, means condition remains true. Both condition out of first one is false and second one is true, but both logical conditions we combine with logical or, therefore we are getting result as 1. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you think, hello.
True. True.
1.
1. Why 1? How many logical operators are used? Hello.
2. 2.
2 logical operators are used. It means there are actual 3 conditions. First condition is this bracket. Okay. And for this bracket, one logical operator is used, that is logical not. So a is greater than b, this logical condition, its result is, here I am writing, its result is false. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and A is less than B, its result is true. And we combine with logical and for this false condition, there is not operator, logical not. So here I can write it. Further, you can simplify this. Not false means true. Logical and operator again true, and its result will get as true. Yes,
One. True.
true. And true means one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So how to evaluate logical conditions? Are you getting? Yes.
Yes.
So to understand, I am passing the command so that program gets executed. Okay. Let us check it. Yes.
Yes.
So you can take its screenshot where value of C we are getting 1, and you can try it out and with the different kinds of values and different kinds of logical conditions, and you combine more than one logical conditions. You play and you play with it. Hello. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So more than one logical conditions if you wanted to combine. Okay. So logical and logical or and logical not operators are helping us to combine more than one logical conditions, and logical conditions are the binary operators. Display the screen. Yes.
This is it.
Logical operators are helping us to combine more than one logical conditions. Let us go to last type of binary operator. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So logical operators are also a type of binary operator. Relational operators are also type of binary operators. Arithmetic operators are also type of binary operators. Similarly, bitwise operators are also type of binary operator. Now let us understand what is meant by bitwise operator. Here also you'll find a single ampersand symbol, single pipeline character. This is the caret. This symbol we are calling it as caret, C-A-R-E-T. This is the less than symbol, where less than symbol we used twice and twice less than symbols. Okay, this is twice greater than symbols. तो ये जो पांच है, these are 5 bitwise operators. Let us try to understand. First of all, I will define what is meant by bitwise operator. Bitwise means what? Bit by bit. Okay, let us try to understand what is meant by bit in computer language. If you are considering this is the memory location or any single box, okay, and this box we are calling it as bit. This box we are calling it as bit, and in this box, in this bit, this is imaginary actually. In this bit you will find either 1 or 0. उसमें एक तो 1 रहेगा या 0 रहेगा, ठीक है, and togetherly we are calling it as 1 bit. इसमें से एक ही रहता है, एक बॉक्स को एक बिट बोलते हैं. ये दूसरा बिट है. हेलो. अनदर बिट. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So bit means what? In one box either you will find 1 or 0. एक तो 1 मिलेगा, नहीं तो 0 मिलेगा. दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं रहेगा. 1 0 दोनों एक साथ नहीं मिलेगा. एक बिट में एक ही रहेगा, एक तो 1 रहेगा, नहीं तो 0 रहेगा. So single box which includes 1 or 0 is called as bit. समझ में आया बिट क्या है? हेलो. Because computer understands only binary language. Binary means what? Either 0 or 1. Yes, उसको binary system बोलते हैं. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to understand when such bits collection or such bits we will consider, and that number is say 8 नंबर में. ठीक है, ये पहला बिट है, ये सेकंड बिट, ये थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, ओके, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ एंड एट्थ. Such 8 bits, if they are coming together, we are calling it as, okay, we are calling it as 1 byte. उसको हम 1 byte बोलते हैं. इट मीन्स 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू 8 बिट्स रहता है. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हर एक बिट में एक तो 1 रहेगा, नहीं तो 0 रहेगा. हेलो. Okay, 1001110. In this way, entire information computer stores in its memory, and smallest unit of the memory is bit. Smallest unit of memory is bit, and 1 bit is nothing but either 1 or 0. And such 8 bits, when they are coming together, we are calling it as 1 byte. समझ में आया क्या 1 byte क्या रहता है कंप्यूटर में? हेलो.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हम आगे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. 124. See here, in as a human being, if we'll be considering 1 kilo, and किलो का मतलब ऑलवेज 1000 रहता है हमारे लिए, ह्यूमंस के लिए. एम आई राइट? हेलो. 1 किलो, 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. यस.
Yes, sir.
बट फॉर कंप्यूटर 1 किलो मीन्स 1024 रहता है. 1024 रहता है फॉर कंप्यूटर. 1 किलो मतलब 1024. यू कैन बाय हार्ट इट because this is mathematical calculation. So when 1024 and 1024 bytes, if we will consider together, and 1024 bytes if we are considering together, and it will become 1 kilobyte. उसको 1 KB बुलाते हैं हम. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or 1024 and 1024 bytes, when they are coming together, kilobytes, sorry, KBN, when 1024 kilobytes are coming together, we are calling it as 1 megabyte, MB. Hello.
हाँ सर.
So normally if you are listening any kind of music, any kind of song, so it will have 3 to 4 MBs. एक गाना जो रहता है म्यूजिक का, ठीक है, कौन सा भी रहेगा, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट म्यूजिक. उसका 3 to 4 MBs रहता है उसका मेमोरी साइज. एक गाने का जो 5 मिनट का रहता है, 5 या 6 मिनट का रहता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली. सो उसका 3 to 4 MBs रहता है उसका साइज. और हाई क्वालिटी रहेगा तो 10 से 12 MBs तक भी जा सकता है उसका क्वालिटी, है ना, म्यूजिक का क्वालिटी, सॉन्ग का क्वालिटी. हेलो. You can imagine, and see here, any music if you are considering, and that music if you will try to store in the computer or laptop or a mobile, and that information, that song gets stored in the bytes. वो गाना है या वीडियो है या एनी काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है, वो कंप्यूटर को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, है ना. कंप्यूटर स्टोर्स एंटायर इंफॉर्मेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ zeros and 1. हेलो. ओके. यस.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. जब 1024 है ना MBs we are considering together, okay, it will become 1 GB. उसको हम 1 gigabyte बोलते हैं. तो अगर मूवी है ना, मूवी है ना, when you will consider any kind of movie, वो देखो अभी है ना 3 GB तक मूवी रहता है ना, 3 या 2 GB, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अगेन क्वालिटी ऑफ योर मूवी, है ना. HD रहेगा तो ज़्यादा GBs रहता है. अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 GB से, है ना, 3 GB तक एक मूवी रहता है ना. वेयर वीडियोज यू कैन कंसिडर, है ना, साइज ऑफ द वीडियोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, जहाँ पे 3 hours का मूवी रहता है, 2 hours 2.5 hours का मूवी रहेगा, है ना, या 2 hours का मूवी रहेगा. सो इट विल कंज्यूम, है ना, इट विल कंज्यूम अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 to 3 GBs. ओके. और 1 GB मीन्स 1024 MBs. 1 MB मीन्स 1024 KBs. 1 KB मीन्स 1024 bytes. 1 byte is 8 bits. हेलो. ओके. यस.
सर. यस सर.
और अभी देखो है ना 1024 जब GBs हैं together and when we'll consider, so we are calling it as 1 terabyte, 1 TB. So 1 TB is equal to 1024 GBs. So nowadays, if you will be purchasing any laptop or any kind of desktop, and at that time you will be getting your central processing unit, capacity of central processing unit, where we are calling it as hard disk. So generally, we will be getting in terabytes. टेराबाइट्स में मिलता है. अभी जो कंप्यूटर आप लोगे हैं मार्केट से, तो टेराबाइट में उसका हार्ड डिस्क रहता है generally. Okay, in 2009, okay, actually I purchased my laptop in those days, and before 10 to 12 years. If you अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप रहेगा ना, फादर ने या किसी ने खरीदा हुआ, तो तब उसके जो मेमोरीज रहता था वो जीबीज में रहता था. अभी राइट नाउ लॉट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट यू विल फाइंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ computer, where technologies, advanced technologies you will find, where lot of development is taking place, where we are moving from GBs to TBN. हेलो, ओके. उसका थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री पढ़ो आप, है ना, आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा बहुत सारा, है ना. यस, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
इन जनरल व्हाट यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यहाँ पे 1 बाइट मतलब एक तो 1 रहेगा या 0 रहेगा, है ना. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स एंटायर इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑलमोस्ट एंटायर इंफॉर्मेशन मशीन और कंप्यूटर स्टोर्स, मोबाइल also and stores in the form of bits. So smallest unit of memory is bit, and 1 bit means what? Either 0 and 1. So have you understood what is meant by bit? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
अभी bitwise है ना, bitwise मतलब bit by bit. So with all these 5 operators we can perform operations bit by bit. वो कैसे होता है? Let us try to understand with example. है तो ये सब कुछ आप पढ़ाई करो, यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ दिया है ना, डेफिनेशंस एंड ईच एंड मीनिंग ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सिंबल. यू कैन रीड इट, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड ट्राई टू राइट एन एंटायर all the notes in your notebooks. Okay, so this will help you to understand. Once again you will have to write and you prepare your notes at the end, and I will be creating or your CC will create and one link where you will be uploading your assignments and journals. So in case of assignments and journal, and what you will be doing, entire notes you will be writing in your notebook, and you will be taking its photographs, and these photographs you are clubbing together, and you will be preparing one PDF file, and that PDF file you can send it as assignment. Will it be okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For your uploading such kind of assignments or files in the form of PDF, you will be getting 50 marks. So that's why you try to write in your notebooks, understand what you are writing. If you are getting any kind of doubts at the time of writing, you can ask me questions, okay, through the Telegram. At the rate SD Bhosle, and if you will write in the Telegram application, so you will get है ना account with नमस्ते लिखा हुआ अकाउंट रहेगा, है ना, उसको आप क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो. हेलो, ओके.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is the Telegram ID, and globally you can search at the top, or you can write it, so you will get है ना नमस्ते अकाउंट, उसमें SD भोसले का नमस्ते लिखा हुआ अकाउंट मिलेगा. So if you will be getting any kind of doubts or issues, you can ask directly to my Telegram ID. Let us go to next, bitwise operators. Hello. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है देखो, है ना. So 1 byte means 8 bits. So these are the boxes, and in each box you will find either 1 or 0. Now let us try to understand first operator, bitwise AND. So bitwise AND operator is bitwise operator, and bitwise operators are the binary operators. Okay, bitwise operators are the binary operators which are helping us to perform operations bit by bit. यहाँ पे लिखा है ना bit by bit. Single bit पे operation होता है. वो कैसे होता है, that we are understanding. So we have one example. Okay, So bitwise AND operator we are understanding. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. Okay. So this is the single AND operator, means this is bitwise AND operator. Now what you will have to do, how it performs operation and how we are getting result. So C is equal to, I am writing here, C is equal to A bitwise AND operator B. So इसका रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा एंड हाउ कंप्यूटर इवेलुएट्स ए सिंगल एंड बी. सो इसको हम पढ़ेंगे कैसे, उसको रीड कैसा किया जाएगा, ए bitwise and b. So value of a is 4, value of b is 5. So how we can evaluate this. So a जो है हमारा a जिसमें 4 वैल्यू स्टोर है ना, so that 4 you will have to convert it into binary form. So this is the binary form of 4. ये जो है ना 0 0 zeros 4 zeros then 0 1 1 1 0 0, ये जो है ना बाइनरी फॉर्म ऑफ 4 है. ये पता है क्या, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल टू बाइनरी, बाइनरी टू डेसिमल. हेलो, आपको एक सब्जेक्ट है बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग BEE है क्या अभी इस सेमेस्टर में? हेलो, डू यू हैव दैट सब्जेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so in that subject you will learn, okay, how to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal. So small trick I will be sharing with you. वो शायद सेक्शन 2 में रहेगा, तो अभी पढ़ाया नहीं जाएगा आपको, इसलिए मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा. आपको समझता है तो समझ के लो, नहीं तो वो मैडम या टीचर से आप समझ लो. एंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल टू बाइनरी एंड बाइनरी टू डेसिमल. So here a is equal to 4, so 4 value, how to convert it into binary form. So here I am writing 4. This is the method with which you can convert your binary decimal to binary. So 4 is decimal, 5 is also decimal. So we are converting decimal into binary. तो वो कैसे convert होता है, यहाँ पे 4 लिखने का, binary बोले तो 2n. So always you will have to divide by 2, and whenever you are dividing by 2 with this number, because this value we are converting it into binary, therefore we are dividing by 2. So यहाँ पे quotient लिखने का है ना, भागाकार है ना, quotient लिखने का. So 4 divided by 2, what is the quotient? Hello, 4 divided by 2, hello,
2.
हाँ 2. So here you can write 2. Again same procedure you will have to follow. Again you will be dividing by 2, because binary we are converting our decimal number into binary, therefore again I will divide by 2. So same rule you will have to apply, 2 by 2, and what is the quotient? 2 by 2,
1.
1. So when you will get 1, you will have to stop this process, you will stop. कब रुकने का है, पता चला का, पता चला क्या, काय म्हणणार बघा ना, 1. When we will be getting 1, we will have to stop. And after this you draw one line and you simply convert, you check it, and so whatever quotients you will be getting, this is actually our number, and remaining these this is 2 and 1, these are our quotients. So you will have to convert, and if you
मला दिसत नाही म्हणून मी लावून बसले. मग बस मग.
Lokhande, I am removing you from this meeting. Unnecessary, you are disturbing to entire class. ठीक है. Here, so these are the quotients, and now what how you can convert it? If your quotient is even, then you will be writing 0, and if your quotient or these numbers are odd, you will be writing 1. So here we are getting 1. Is it odd or even? Hello,
Odd.
odd. Then I can write 1. So 2 is even or odd?
Even.
If 2 is even, we are writing 0. For this 4, even or odd?
Even.
So in this way we have written. Now you will have to follow and from downward to upward side, and such kind of sequence you will have to follow, and then I can write 1 0 0. So 1 0 0 is the binary form of 4. So are you getting how to convert a decimal into binary? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100 कैसे आया वो पता चला क्या? तो 10, actually this is the binary form. This is the binary form. Later on we added a few more zeros. Now let us try to understand when we are considering an 4 bits. अभी देखो यहाँ पे बताता हूँ थोड़ा सा 4 bits. तो यहाँ पे 4 bits आया, ये फर्स्ट बिट, सेकंड बिट, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. व्हेन यू आर कंसीडरिंग 4 बिट्स वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज 4 बिट सिस्टम. इसको हम 4 बिट सिस्टम बुलाते हैं, 4 बिट सिस्टम. हेलो, ओके. And
Yes, sir.
when we will have an 8 bits together, तो उसको 8 bit system बुलाएंगे हम. तो यहाँ पे है ना we are considering 8 bit system. मोजा है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 bits we are considering together, so we are calling it as 8 bit system. So we are following 8 bit system. It means when you will convert 4, which is decimal number, when that decimal number you will convert it into binary, so we are getting 3 bit system. So we should not supposed to consider 3 bit system. Either you will have to convert it into 4 bit system or 8 bit system. Hello. And normally generally we are considering 8 bit system because turbo C जो लिखा गया है वो 8 bit system को consider करके लिखा गया है, ऐसा हम सोचेंगे. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
सो रिमेनिंग बिट्स यहाँ पे 3 बिट मिला हमको, ये 4 जो है उसका कन्वर्जन करने के बाद हमको जो बाइनरी सिस्टम मिला उसमें 3 बिट्स मिल रहा है. एंड इफ वी विल हैव टू कंसीडर 8 बिट सिस्टम, सो रिमेनिंग यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो सिंपली वी आर एडिंग जीरोज. कब तक? 3 जो है ऑलरेडी है, अभी हमको 5 चाहिए 8 बिट सिस्टम होने के लिए, इसलिए 5 जीरोज आएगा यहाँ पे. 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, तो ये 8 बिट सिस्टम हो गया. इसलिए हमको ये मिला है ना बाइनरी, ये 4 जो है वो बाइनरी सिस्टम में ऐसा मिला हमको 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. ओके. हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
आता मी
Yes,
फास्ट
sir.
कन्वर्ट करून दाखवतोय बरं का. 5. ओके, सो 2 यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. ओके, अगेन 2, सॉरी 1 आएगा डायरेक्ट. yes 1. now you can convert it. okay, 1 का 1 रहेगा यहाँ पे, 2 का 0 एंड ऑड 1. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखने का है 1 0 1. so these are the three bits and remaining bits for 8 bits will be adding 5 zeros. am I right? hello, yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is our binary form of 5. This is the binary form of 5. So simply, so have you understood how to convert binary to decimal to binary? Hello.
Yes, sir.
इसका रिवर्स भी रहता है. रिवर्स, it means if suppose you have binary form, so how you can convert it into decimal? Now that we will try to understand. For this 5, इसको 5 के लिए ही समझ के लेंगे. देखो अभी हम, so 2 raised to 0 ऐसा लिखने का, 2 raised to 0. देन ये इसके लिए लिखा है, ठीक है, ये बिट के लिए 2 raised to 0, ये बिट के लिए फॉर सेकंड बिट ऐसा हम जा रहे हैं कहाँ से, लेफ्ट टू राइट. बरोबर, लेफ्ट टू राइट, सॉरी राइट टू लेफ्ट. यस, राइट टू
Yes, sir.
लेफ्ट वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. सो ये जो फर्स्ट बिट है उसके लिए 2 raised to 0 लिखा है. सेकंड जो बिट रहेगा उसके लिए 2 raised to 1 लिखने का, and power of 2 you will be increasing. okay, third bit, for third bit I will be writing 2 raised to 2, and for remaining bits as it is 0, so I will not consider. For zeros actually we should not supposed to consider. okay, so 2 raised to 0, what is the value? hello,
1.
1.
1. very good. कौन सा भी नंबर रहेगा उसका पावर अगर 0 कंसिडर किया जाता है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 आता है. ये बेसिक मैथ्स है. 100 raised to 1 भी किया, 100 raised to 0 भी किया तो भी 1 ही आएगा. यस. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
so 2 raised to 0 we are getting 1, 2 raised to 1 we are getting 2. yes, 2 raised to 4 we are getting 4. Now whatever answers we have calculated, simply you will have to add, and before adding those answers, whenever you will be getting 0 bit, जहाँ पे 0 bit मिलता है उसको निग्लेक्ट करने का है, जहाँ पे 0 bit है उसको रिमूव करने का है. and remaining रिमेनिंग जो आंसर से है हमारा 4 and 1, उसको सिंपली ऐड करो, आपको 5 मिलेगा. हेलो, सो आर यू गेटिंग हाउ टू कन्वर्ट? एंड इफ यू हैव बाइनरी फॉर्म, that binary form can be converted into decimal form in this way. Yes? Hello.
Yes, sir.
For 4 and for 4 you can consider ऐसा, ठीक है. फर्स्ट बिट के लिए 2 raised to 0, सेकेंड बिट के लिए 2 raised to 1, थर्ड बिट के लिए 2 raised to 2 है ना. जहाँ पे 0 रहता है वो निगलेक्ट करो, डायरेक्ट ऐड करो अभी, है ना. 2 raised to 2 है ना, कितना आता है 4. यस. सो जो 100 है उसका डेसिमल सिस्टम 4 आता है. हेलो, समझ में आया क्या? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये एक मेथड है, ऐसा बहुत सारा मेथड्स है. वो आपका जो BEEE का टीचर रहेगा वो आपको पढ़ाएगा, है ना. टिल द टाइम यू रिमेंबर दिस, इन दिस वे वी कैन कन्वर्ट डेसिमल टू बाइनरी, बाइनरी टू डेसिमल. ओके.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, अभी आप बताओ मेरे को, ठीक है. 15 है, लेट अस कन्वर्ट इट इनटू बाइनरी फटाफट. कितना? हेलो, हेलो. 7.
7.
कितना?
3.
3.
वेरी गुड.
3.
कितना?
1.
1 और 2? 1.
1.
जब 1 आता है तब रुकने का है यहाँ पे. नाउ यू कन्वर्ट इट फटाफट फटाफट. 1 के लिए क्या आएगा?
1,
1.
3 के लिए
1.
7,
1,
15.
1.
You
One.
write in this order. So 1 1 1 1 and remaining, and for 8-bit system how many bits we got? If 15,
4 bits.
4 bits.
I'm removing, है ना. चेतन खताळ. ओ चेतन, टीव्ही चालू आहे का तुमचा?
नाही नाही सर.
मग आवाज कसला येतोय तिकडनं? काय बघा. आहे ना.
अहो सर तुम्ही आन्सर द्यायला माईक चालू केलं तसंच राहील.
टीव्ही जर मला वाटलं तर मी काढून टाकेल बरं का तुम्हाला.
नाही सर, टीव्ही नाही चालू.
मी ज्यावेळेस बोलायचं त्यावेळेस बोलायचं. आपण एखाद्या वेगळ्या रूम मध्ये बसायचं. आपण शिकायला बसलोय का तिकडे कालव्यात बसलोय बघा. आहे ना.
नाही, हा सर.
असं कसा इंजिनियर होणार आहे ना चेतन. आणि काय त्या इंजिनियरचं सगळं बघा ना पुढे जाऊन. कुठली ब्रांच आहे चेतन?
हा सर,
ब्रांच कुठली आहे?
CSA.
हा बघा आहे ना, कसलं सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलप करून ते कसलं सॉफ्टवेअर देणार जगाला काय माहित. बघा आहे ना. तुमची CSE ब्रँच असल्यानंतर तुम्ही किती सिन्सिअर पाहिजे, है ना. एका अशा रूम मध्ये आपण बसलं पाहिजे, झाडाखाली बसलं पाहिजे जिकडे डिस्टर्बन्स नसेल. ह्या गोष्टी सांगायला लागतात. हे दुर्दैव म्हणू आपण. Here when 15 we are converting it into an binary system, so we are getting 4 bits. So remaining bit for 8 bits we will add how many zeros?
4.
4 zeros. Therefore this is the binary form of 15 for 8-bit system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, इसका उल्टा अगर कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम, इसको यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं. 2 raised to 0 देखो, है ना. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, बाकी सब जीरोस है. लेट अस निगलेक्ट. एंड सो 2 raised to 1 1 रहता है, 2 raised to 2 2 रहता है, सॉरी 2 raised to 1 2 रहता है, 2 raised to 2 4 रहता है, 2 raised to 3 8 रहता है. सबका एडिशन करो, आपको 15 मिलेगा. हेलो. ओके.
Okay, sir.
I hope you have understood how to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Now let us try to understand how bitwise operator works. So 4 will be converting it into binary form. 5 also we are converting it into binary form. Later on we are using this bitwise AND operator. As it is bitwise operator, so bit by bit, as it is bitwise operator, it performs operations bit by bit. Bit by bit means what? यहाँ पे अभी सिंगल बिट कंसिडर करने का है. ये इसका बिट रहेगा, ये जो बिट रहेगा ये 4 का बिट रहेगा, ये जो बिट रहेगा वो 5 का बिट रहेगा. सो बिट बाय बिट ऑपरेटर, बिट बाय बिट हमारा जो एंड ऑपरेटर है वो परफॉर्म होगा यहाँ पे सिंगल बिट्स के ऊपर, एंड यू विल हैव टू फॉलो है ना ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर लॉजिकल एंड। अभी 0 1 के लिए क्या आता है लॉजिकल एंड ट्रूथ टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग? हेलो,
0
इसलिए 0 आया यहाँ पे, ठीक है। 0 0 लॉजिकल एंड के लिए क्या आता है? बिट बाय बिट सिंगल बिट्स यू विल हैव टू कंसीडर। हेलो, अगेन 0 विल गेट, यस।
yes sir
1 1 के लिए 1 आता है, बाकी सब 0 से 0 आया। सो ये जो रिजल्ट है वो सी का रिजल्ट है। फर्दर दैट रिजल्ट यू विल हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डेसिमल सिस्टम, एंड इन दिस वे कंप्यूटर डिस्प्लेस दिस 4 ऑन द आउटपुट स्क्रीन। ऐसा वो 4 आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे दिखाएगा जहाँ पे सी का वैल्यू ऐसा रहेगा, ए बिटवाइज एंड बी। ओके, समझ लगा?
हो सर
आता इकडे बघा ना फटाफट, 2 and 3 आहे, value of a is 2, value of b is 3. This is the binary form of 2, this is the binary form of 3, and you will have to apply है ना which operator? Bitwise AND operator। 1 0 के लिए 0 आएगा, 1 1 1 we are getting, remainings are zeros, let us neglect। and इसका जो ये जो बाइनरी फॉर्म में बाइनरी है उसका डेसिमल हमको 2 मिलेगा, यस।
Yes, sir.
नाउ यू चेक है ना थर्ड एग्जाम्पल। सो ये जो है ना, ये दिस इज दी एन बाइनरी फॉर्म ऑफ 7, ओके, एंड दिस इज द बाइनरी फॉर्म ऑफ 16। फॉर 16 फास्ट, फटाफट, हाँ।
8
8
4
4
2 2
2 1
1
फटाफट,
1
0 0 0 0
therefore we are getting 1 0, how many zeros? 4 zeros। now binary form of 16 we are getting how many bits? 1 2 3 4 5 bits। so we are converting our 16 into binary form, and we are considering it into 8-bit system। so how many further zeros are required? hello, 5 है यहाँ पे, hello,
3
so 3। तो ये 16 का कहाँ पे गया? यहाँ पे है। ये 16 का जो है ऐसा आया बाइनरी फॉर्म, अलग अलग से कसा आला? हेलो, यस।
Yes.
Similarly 7 का you can try, similarly 7 का you can try, and this is the binary form of 7, and let us apply bitwise AND operator। तो यहाँ पे ट्रूथ टेबल हमको बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए। 1 0 के लिए 0 आता, 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 अगेन 0, तो सब जीरोज आए यहाँ पे। इसका कन्वर्जन डेसिमल में करने के बाद हमको सी का वैल्यू 0 मिलेगा यहाँ पे। हेलो, यस। सो ये जो एग्जाम्पल है इसके लिए हम छोटा सा प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं अभी। देखो, आर यू गेटिंग? हेलो, यस, समझ में आ रहा
yes
है?
sir
Yes, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। तो ए का वैल्यू क्या था? 7, बी का वैल्यू 16, यस। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
एंड वैल्यू ऑफ सी वी आर डिटरमाइनिंग यहाँ पे ए बिटवाइज एंड ऑपरेटर बी। तो इसका आंसर जो आया है हमको, कितना आया था देखेंगे, 0 आया है शायद, यस। हेलो,
yes sir
yes sir
Yes, sir.
0 आता है क्या है ना, दैट वी आर चेकिंग। लेट अस एग्जीक्यूट दिस। हेलो, c is equal to 0, ओके।
okay
इसके पहले एक एग्जांपल था, इसके पहले जो एग्जांपल था 2 and 3 दिसतंय का 2 and 3
Yes, sir.
त्याचा आन्सर 2 आलता आपल्याला. It is very difficult to operate actually. 2 and 3. We are getting answer 2, I think. Yes. Let us execute. Hello. So C is equal to 2. Yes. Like this you can check for all the results. Let us go to next.
4 आणि 5.
4 आणि 5 साठी काय येणार 4 आलतं बरोबर.
हा.
Let's take it. Unnecessary 4 आणि 5 तुम्ही चेक करा ते राहिलेले 4 आलतं मला वाटतं. यस. सो इन
Yes,
दिस
sir.
बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर वर्क्स. कैसे काम करता है समझ में आया क्या? बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर इज द ऑपरेटर विच इज परफॉर्मिंग ऑपरेशन ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ द ऑपरेंड्स और वेरिएबल्स बिट बाय बिट. एक एक बिट के ऊपर वो काम करता है, इसलिए आंसर्स वी आर गेटिंग है ना इन दिस वे. कैसे ऑपरेट करता है करते ते कळलं का बघा आहे. हॅलो. यस.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है फटाफट आता है बिटवाइज और. ओके अभी टाइम ज्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए. ठीक है बिटवाइज और यहाँ पे खाली एंड की जगह पे और आता है सिंगल पाइपलाइन कैरेक्टर. रिमेनिंग थिंग्स रिमेन सेम है. A का वैल्यू 2 है ना, B का वैल्यू 3 है ना. 2 will be so this is the binary form of 2 and this is the binary form of 3. And if you will be using a bitwise OR operator, so again it performs operations bit by bit. यहाँ पे खाली ट्रूथ टेबल जो है वो बिटवाइज और लॉजिकल और का ट्रूथ टेबल है ना, यू विल हैव टू फॉलो. सो 1 0 के लिए 1 आता है. यस. लॉजिकल और का ट्रूथ टेबल. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
1
Yes, sir.
1 1 we are getting 1. And if you will convert this into binary into decimal form, so value of C will get 3. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So same example, same values I am considering. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 16. So already we have seen this is the binary form of 7. This is the binary form of 16. Okay. And if you will use bitwise OR, and which will perform again operations bit by bit. So 1 0 1 आता है. 1 1 1 0 1 again. 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 आता है. According to truth table of logical OR. Yes.
Yes, sir.
अभी इसको हमको डेसिमल सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कैसा होगा वो देखो है ना. बाकीचे जे 0 आहे ते सोडून द्या. 1 0 and 3 times 1. So 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 I am not writing because 0 is there. 2 raised to 4 direct. So 2 raised to 0 1, 2 raised to 1 2, 2 raised to 2 4, 2 raised to 4 16. Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हे मला वाटतं 20 झालं. 20 अधिक हे 3 23. ओके. चलो समझ लगा.
Yes, sir.
अभी हम नेक्स्ट जा रहे हैं. ठीक है बिटवाइज एक्सऑर. ठीक है बिटवाइज एक्सऑर. नाउ फॉर दिस वी हैवंट अंडरस्टूड ट्रूथ टेबल. First of all, we will understand truth table. Suppose C1 is my first logical condition, C2 is my second logical condition, and both such logical conditions if we will be combining with an XOR operator, तो उसको हम कैरेट से डिनोट कर रहे हैं. कैरेट, दिस इज द सिंबल, वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज कैरेट. ओके. तो C1 कैरेट C2. So both logical conditions we are combining with XOR operator. So C1 first possibility, for first possibility we are considering both are true, or we will write in the terms of zeros and 1, and that will be very easy for remember and understand. So here I am writing 1 1 means what? Both are true. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 0 means first logical condition C1 is true and C2 is false. 0 1 means first logical condition is false and second one is true, and this is third possibility, and fourth possibility, ये second possibility है, ये third possibility है, ये fourth possibility. For fourth possibility we are considering C1 and C2, and both logical conditions are false. Okay, hello. So these are the four possibilities for two logical conditions. Now for first possibility and for last possibility, how we can remember a truth table for XOR operator, that hint I'm giving. If results of logical conditions are same, we are getting 0. And if results of logical conditions are opposite, then we are getting 1. Hello. So this is the truth table for XOR operator. Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Once again, I am repeating results of logical conditions. If results of logical conditions are remaining same, यहाँ पे same मिला result 1 1. Therefore, we are getting 0. Results of logical conditions are remaining same. Here also we are getting 0 0, and same results we are getting. Therefore, we are getting 0. When results are opposite 1 0 0 1, in that case only we are getting 1. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
You can take a screenshot of this truth table. Today I can माहित नाही मला, but you take it and screenshot. Yes. ये XOR है ना, XOR. Shall I clear it? Hello. घेतला का screenshot?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm clearing it. Now let us understand. Again, same values, same examples. We are considering A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. This is the binary form of 2. This is the binary form of 3. Now here XOR operator, which is bitwise operator, which performs operations on bit by bit and single bit. तो अगर रिजल्ट सेम है तो ही तो 0 आएगा, अपोजिट है तो 1 आएगा. देखो यहाँ पे. यस. हेलो. रिजल्ट
Yes, sir.
0,
Yes.
अपोजिट है तो ही 1. एंड इसका कन्वर्जन अगर आप डेसिमल सिस्टम में करोगे तो सी का वैल्यू आपको 1 मिलेगा. So when A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, and value of C, if you wanted to determine with this kind of formula, A bitwise XOR B, so इसका रिजल्ट आपको 1 मिलेगा. ओके. हेलो. समझ लगा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? प्रॅक्टिस लागणार इकडे आहे ना. प्रॅक्टिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. एवढं डीप मध्ये कोण घेणार नाही तुम्हाला, बरं का. कोणच घेत नाही एवढं. आपण थोडंसं सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. आय होप यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड, अँड इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टँडिंग, यू कॅन वॉच दिस व्हिडिओ अँड लॅटर ऑन. Unfortunately, that also I am observing. We are learning a lot, but nobody is revisiting our videos. If you are not understanding, what you can do, you can play the video again. Nowadays, that facility, that feature is with you, and when actually we learn, and in our college days, such kind of facilities we were not having, because of which I think we lagged a lot. And but right now, the technology which you have along with you, and you can play with this technology and you can learn a lot. But unfortunately, that kind of curiosity I'm not finding in the students. आणि पुढे जाऊन कुठेतरी तुम्ही कोलॅप्स होणार जोरात. मग तिकडे इंजिनिअरिंग शिकून काही उपयोग नाही अशी म्हणणारे काही विद्यार्थी राहतात. ते तसले राहतात जे अभ्यास न करता त्यांना सगळं सोपं मिळावं असं सगळं काही लक्षात यावं असं ज्यांना कोणाला वाटत असेल त्यांच्यासाठी इंजिनिअरिंग नाही आहे, लक्षात घ्या. सो आय होप यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड दिस. यस.
Yes, sir.
सो नेक्स्ट क्या है देखेंगे थोड़ा सा. ये लेफ्ट शिफ्ट एंड राइट शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर है. इसको हम कवर करने का सोच रहा हूँ मैं एक्चुअली. कैन वी कंटिन्यू? डू यू हैव एनी टेस्ट टुडे? हेलो. डू यू हैव एनी टेस्ट टुडे? हेलो.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So with your
No, sir.
with your permission, can we cover and few more things about our PPS subject? Yes. Now see here, and most of the students, I can understand if there is issue with your data, and then you can leave this meeting. Okay. If suppose you are having issue with your data, you can leave this meeting. Later on, you can watch this video. That is the one way. I'm not making an compulsion to all the students. If suppose somebody is having battery issues, you also can leave this meeting. Already I think attendance has been recorded, and from your side you have mentioned your roll numbers in the chat box. Now if there is issues, and two issues, if there is data issue, you can leave this meeting. This is the first issue. Second issue, if suppose you are having issue with your battery and battery of your mobile, and so such students, they can leave this meeting, others they can attend. Will it be okay? Hello. If single student will attend, for him I will continue. सब निकल के जाएंगे तो मैं भी निकल के जाता हूँ, ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ तो करेंगे. Will it be okay? Hello. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm starting, and I hope 3 operators we have covered, and bitwise and I think 2, and bitwise 2 or 3, 3, and bitwise and this is bitwise and bitwise or and bitwise XOR. I hope all these 3 bitwise operators you have understood. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 more operators we will try to understand, which are again having categories. Bitwise operator का ही category है. Name of those operators are left shift operator and right shift operator. Okay, these are the symbols. This is the symbol for left shift operator, and this is the symbol for right shift operator. Let us try to understand. Okay, कसं आहे बघा. Less than symbol, and twice if you will be using less than symbols, we are calling it as left shift operator. And greater than symbol, if you will be using twice, we are calling it as right shift operator. Now there is confusion how to remember and left shift and right shift operator. Simply what you can do, you can draw one line and you form an arrow. You try to form arrow. आता बघा, असा तर arrow होणार नाही. Let us try to think logically. Also we will think such kind of arrow you will not find. Yes. असा arrow होत नसतो. Yes. Hello. विचार करा.
Yes, sir.
So after drawing such kind of symbols, you try to form the arrow. How I am forming the arrow, and these arrows will help us to understand or to remember which operator it is. Okay. तो ये arrow से हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? Hello. We are moving towards hello left.
Left to right.
Therefore, this is left shift operator. And this symbol and this arrow, if you will consider, so this is right shift operator. So in this way, you can remember. See here, your memory is sharp, you can remember, but it is not possible for me, and most of the times I cannot remember the things. So I'm finding the tricks, and with such kind of tricks, I can remember. Do you know first 20 elements, and first 20 elements, if you wanted to remember from your periodic table for chemistry subject, there is trick. Do you know that? Hello. Kunal mahit asil तर सांगा. Hello. Yes, that is the trick. First 20 elements from your periodic table and for chemistry subject, you can remember first 20 elements. Do you know that trick? Hello. Fast. Chemistry आता आहे का पुढच्या सेमिस्टरला आहे? झाली मला वाटतं. Hello. आता आहे का?
सेमिस्टरला
हा?
सेमिस्टर
for same semester you have chemistry. Then I'm giving that trick, and that trick actually I got in 10th standard, and when I was in 10th standard, and actually we had one faculty Wagmare sir, ठीक है. and he gave us one trick. First 20 elements we can remember, and he gave us one sentence: haheli bebokana ofloni somasi fosaklo pokya. Okay, so this is the sentence, and this sentence if you will by heart, so first 20 elements from periodic table you can remember. Ha means hydrogen. Okay, first ha. He means helium. Yes, ha he. Li means lithium. Ha he li. Be means beryllium. Bo means boron. Ha he li be bo. And ka means carbon. Na means nitrogen. Ha he li bebo kana. O means oxygen. Flow means fluorine. Ha he li bebo kana of flow, and flow means fluorine. Ni means neon. Ha he li bebo kana of flow ni. Ni means neon. Ha he li bebo kana of flow ni. So means sodium. Haheli bebokana of luni, so ma means magnesium. Haheli bebokana of luni, so a means aluminium. So C means silicon. Pho means phosphorus. So C means silicon. So C for phosphorus. So C for sun. So means sulfur. So C for sulfur. So C for clo means chlorine. So C for clo. Means argon. So mass Po means potassium, and last Ka means calcium. समझते क्या? Hello. These are the tricks. In this way you can remember. I think you know this, but I don't know. And nobody's giving any such kind of tricks. So समझ लगा? Most of the times it is very difficult for us to remember the things. In such cases, you will have to apply the tricks. And such kind of tricks, if you'll be getting throughout your life, you cannot forget any such kind of tricks. Am I right? Hello. So you can follow.
Yes, sir.
Tricks. So I hope you have understood. Less than symbol means left shift operator. Greater than symbol means right shift operator. Let us go to next. Hello. पुढे जाऊया का? अभी कैसा है देखो है. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, value of A is 2, and if you wanted to determine value of C, where C is equal to A, left shift operator 2, कसं वाचायचं बघा त्याला, A left shift operator 2. Now in this case what happens, this is the operand on which left shift operator works. ठीक है, value of A is 2. And as it is left shift operator, and left shift operator is bitwise operator, so again you will have to convert your decimal number, means value of A you will have to convert it into decimal form. Value of A you will have to convert it into binary form. So A is equal to 2. So 2 का binary जो है यहाँ पे लिखा है. Hello. Okay. यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं 1 0, and for 8-bit system remaining 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 अजून एक 8. Yes. So this is the binary form of 2. This is the binary form of 2. Okay. Hello. जो हमारा नंबर रहता है, जो वेरिएबल रहता है, उसका बाइनरी हमको लिखने का है. हेलो.
यस सर.
बाइनरी है, A का वैल्यू 2 है. ये 2 अभी मत देखो, ठीक है, ये 2 अभी मत देखो, ठीक है. A जो है उसका वैल्यू 2 है. 2 जो डेसिमल में है उसका बाइनरी यहाँ पे लिखा है. ओके. नाउ A लेफ्ट शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर 2, इट मींस ये जो 2 है, 2 आपको 2 बिट्स जो है लेफ्ट साइड के 2 बिट्स you will have to remove. You will have to remove 2 bits from left side. ये जो लिखा है हमने उसमें से 2 बिट्स हमको रिमूव करने का है. ये लेफ्ट शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर है बोल के इसमें से 2 बिट्स जो है वो रिमूव होगा फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. क्या अड़चन? यहाँ पे भी रिमूव किया है. हेलो. ओके. हेलो. यस.
यस सर.
remaining bits you will have to shift towards left side. किसी ने तो हैंड रेज किया है, कौन है वो पता नहीं.
हेलो सर, कदम सर आहे.
हाँ
सर लेक्चर आहे सर इथं आता बॅकलॉगचं 4:30 वाजता.
अरे अरे अरे, तो जो बैकलॉग के स्टूडेंट्स है वो छोड़ के जा सकते हैं मीटिंग. हेलो.
नाही सर, ECC म्हणजे ह्याच्यावर ध्यान दिली.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
हां हां.
सो बंद करतो मी माझं सेशन सर.
हो हो चालते सर.
थँक्यू.